And this is the Cruze 2014 model. Dicky want to open. How you need to open means, say you need to first remove the back seat. First take this one out and remove this one. You need to remove this one from behind here. Lift this one and lift it and throw it out. Then you need to come by this way, back seat, and this way. See, there is a emergency lever inside there. After the seat, emergency lifter. See, there is sound. Now I will show you. You see, now I locked it. See, the lock is open. Some models they don't have this cable. That time, see, simple. There is a lock. And see, that's all. You just need to open the door. That's all. How you can open a Cruze? There is no key slot. If this lock is gone, you only need to remove by this type, by removing the seat.